Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news. In the heart of Jamaica's countryside, there's a young woman who's breaking barriers with a hoe in one hand and a camera in the other. She goes by MonaFlexJA. And she's not just your ordinary farmer. She's a YouTuber, motivator, and one of the boldest new faces in the Colaz Smith TV family. From waking up before sunrise to feed her animals, to standing beside Colaz on stage hosting community concerts, MonaFlexJA is redefining what it means to serve, hustle, and inspire. But who really is she? And why is everyone suddenly talking about this farming YouTuber? Let's dive into the remarkable journey of MonaFlexJA, the woman turning dirt into dreams and vlogs into a movement. MonaFlexJA, real name still a mystery to many, is fast becoming a household name in Jamaica's humanitarian YouTube circles. Why? Because she's not just about talk. She walks the walk, literally in mud boots. A proud farmer, Mona shares her life with cows, chickens, goats, and crops. But what makes her different? She's turned everyday chores, milking cows, packing sawdust, feeding hens, into engaging YouTube shorts and vlogs. Her farm is both workplace and content studio, but that's just the beginning. When you scroll through her YouTube channel, you'll find raw, authentic Jamaican life, the kind many influencers avoid. She films herself sweating in the sun, planting seeds, carrying water buckets, and talking openly about food security. It's not glam, it's not scripted, but it's real and relatable. Her shorts, like the one where she jokes about carrying sawdust all by herself, or milking Daisy the cow, are pulling in views and growing a loyal fan base. What's MonaFlexJA's message? It's simply this: farming is powerful. Food security is important, and women belong in agriculture. But it was when MonaFlexJA joined Colaz Smith TV that her star really began to rise. If you've been following Colaz, you know he runs one of Jamaica's most impactful humanitarian YouTube channels, feeding the homeless, uplifting the forgotten, and teaching many people free of cost how to start a YouTube channel and to provide jobs in his community. MonaFlexJA didn't just join the team, she brought new energy. From river missions to food distribution downtown, Mona quickly became a recognizable part of the Colaz family. She's been spotted in multiple Colaz videos, not as background, but as a true participant adorer. When handing out meals or cooking with the team, MonaFlexJA shows that humanitarian work isn't just for cameras, it's a lifestyle. Behind every clip of MonaFlexJA is a powerful message: we can grow what we eat. She's vocal about food security in Jamaica, calling for more young people to get into farming, to reduce import dependency, and take pride in the soil beneath our feet. She doesn't just talk, she lives it. Day after day, she shows up on her farm, with goats bleating behind her, chickens pecking at her boots, and shares every moment with her audience to teach others, especially women and youth, how to become self-reliant through the land. But let's be honest, it's not all sunshine and sweet corn. MonaFlexJA has shown the hard days, the rainstorms, The exhaustion, the farm setbacks. She's talked about the cost of feed going up, about days when the content doesn't film right, about moments when the work feels overwhelming. But through it all, she pushes forward. Because of her, this isn't just about likes or views. It's about legacy. So what's next for Mona? She's hinted at expanding her farm, starting a cooking series with her own produce, and even launching youth mentorship workshops. With Colaz Smith TV network behind her and her own authenticity fueling her brand, the sky's the limit. And if you ask us, she's just getting started. So whether you love farm life, humanitarian missions, or just want to see someone real, grounded and full of heart, then you need to check out MonaFlexJA. Support her. Subscribe to her, share her story, because this isn't just a young woman with a YouTube channel. This is a movement, and Mona is one of the new faces of Jamaica. Don't sleep on it.